Hey guys! Are you looking drone with camera? In this video, I will show you top 5 best buy drone with camera to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Teeggi SG106 Wi-Fi FPV-RC Drone. Brand name, Teeggi. Model number, SG106. Built-in double 1080p or 4K HD wide-angle camera are tuned amazingly to capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. Track flight, you can draw the flight track you want to on the phone, and the quadcopter will fly the line you painting. With Wi-Fi function can be connected app to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. With one key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. Smart follow, the drone follows a moving remote control target and performs a function of following. 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. 4-channel which can do ascent, descent, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly, and rolling 360-degree. 6-axis gyro which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. 3.7 volt 1600 mAh high capacity battery support, maximum flying times 22 minutes. Number 4. Xkj New Mini Drone with camera. Brand name, Xkj. Model number, LS Mini. 4K 1080p HD camera pixel. Folding drone body only 8 cm. Easy take by only one hand, match with official storage bag. It is more convenient to carry when travel. Creation as your wishes, the life of director. Light and small body, long plane time. A single battery can make it 13 minutes of flight time, which is longer than other most consumer drones of the same type. Flying is more freedom, shooting is more leisurely. With 4K film level camera, offer you more create space. 4K HD 40 million pixel, 120-degree super wide angle shot. Took photo by beauty camera, it is more amazing. Watch HD images in real time, live broadcast when fly. Easy to play, you can learn how to play it quickly. One key stunt on the sky, with stunt troll program, only one key, it can achieve the air 360-degree rolling, let your drone catch a envious eye in the crowd. Number 3. Shinuchwanki RC 4K camera drone. Brand name, Shinuchwanki. Model number, V4. Shadow HD Record 3 4K HD folding drone. With a foldable arm, it is small and easy to carry. Has a high hold mode function to provide stable flight. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to app system to take photos, video, and transfer images in real time through mobile phone camera. With track flight mode, you can choose the route you need. With gestures to take photos. MV music editing features. There are 3 cameras to choose from. Equipped with a 720p 1080p 4K wide-angle camera for a wide range of high-definition pictures and videos. No head mode, no need to adjust the aircraft position before flight. With a one-button return function, you can easily find your way home. Anti-interference uses 2.4 GHz technology. 4 channels that can be raised, lowered, forwarded, retreated, left-handed, right-handed, and 360 degrees rolled. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easy control. The 4-rotor body is made of high-strength and engineering-resistant plastic, lightweight and durable. Quadcopter battery, 3.7 volt 1600 mAh lithium battery. Flight time, 16 to 20 minutes. Number 2. Lanson Xe68 Pro wide-angle 4K drone. Brand name, Lansenxi. Model number, E68 Pro. Wide-angle 4K 1080p Wi-Fi FPV camera drones. Drone 2 is an ideal choice for you with advanced technology in many fields, stable control performance, and outstanding image performance. 4K HD camera details are clearly visible. Foldable drone, easy folding, easy to take. Outstanding image performance. The demand for shooting technology and image quality is constantly improving. Stable camera, effectively reduce image blur caused by camera jitter and improve image quality. Power motor noise reduction blade better provides strong power and reduce flight noise. Remote control, 2.4 GHz high-frequency signal, strong anti-interference ability, 150-meter remote control distance, real-time picture transmission. Powerful wind-resistant system, streamlined fuselage greatly reduces drag when flying at full speed, creating a smooth and safe flight experience. Easy operation, easy for novice. Smooth body design, more stable and faster, flight time 15 minutes, RC distance 150 meter. You can fly indoors and outdoors, 2-speed, you can switch speed at will. Number 1. Lanson Xe88 RC Mini 4K Drone. Brand name, Lansenxi. Model number, E88. Lightweight folding, easy to grasp with one hand. It takes 3.5 years, regardless of appearance or performance. Every process is after rigorous manual testing, using aviation-grade explosion-proof materials. Strong anti-collision and strong anti-stress. Advanced hover technology to make your flight simpler and easier to get started. Delicately folded, unexpected surprise. Smaller and lighter, fly if you want. The drone has a 4K HD camera, and the foldable drone is easy to carry. HD pixels. Intelligent fixed height hover. Give you a better creative space. 4K HD wide-angle lens on the front, wider aerial photography range. 4K HD pixels, 110-degree wide-angle lens. Give you more stable shooting performance. Support 50x zoom effect, app built-in electronic zoom. Air pressure fixed height intelligent hover, stable hovering aerial photography system. App mobile control, real-time Wi-Fi image transmission. Waypoint flight smart and easy to use, order wherever you want to fly. Able to gesture and take photos to make heavy video. Lightweight body, comes with beauty effects. VR visual 3D experience. Product parameters.